my brother. Put me on tape.
Hey, you.
Yeah, can I get the mushrooms and
Really? Yeah. You felt that drop.
Oh, Fred's getting tired.
Fred's getting tired.
You can always tell when Fred gets tired because he looks like that. Good times with those guys. Good times. Known Fred and Joff since, man, junior high school? It's been a while. Yeah, they're two of my closest friends right there. Alright, so as most of you know, or at least people that know me know, I'm a big nerd, huge nerd, into Harry Potter, whatever it is I'm into. I got something extremely nerdy, but in my opinion extremely cool. I'm about to unbox it right now. And this is what I have today. It is the Legend Series Marvel Ironman helmet. Yes. With light up eyes and sounds and stuff like that. Let's see here. You know, for a very affordable toy type helmet, it's pretty detailed. Oh yeah. I can already tell. It's gonna be dope. It's on. It is on. Very hard to do with one hand. Drop something. And here is the helmet. There it is. Ironman helmet. You can see. Very nice paint job. And even the faceplate. Look at the detail on the inside of this faceplate. Is that ridiculous or what? That is crazy. Alright. We are powered up with the shield. There's the shield. What? I can see that. Let me drop it in. There it is. Pretty freaking sick. Pretty freaking sick. Now I know you all saying, are you gonna put it on? Are you gonna put it on? No, I'm not gonna put it on. I'm not that much of a nerd. I should do all my vlogs with this thing on. Just be the Ironman vlogs. Right? I think it works good. Well, I'm gonna fly around for a bit. Whoa. How cool is this? We should check this out. Seriously, this is really cool.